Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Mimi. So viewers, today I have a beautiful and amazing table art decoration ideas for Merry Christmas. You can see it different wall decoration ideas, gifts for your friends and family members. You make more ideas and decoration ideas. You can see it is very beautiful. Wood and stones combo, red and white theme, different paintings ideas, rocks ideas, stones ideas, and I hope you like it. And you like it, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Like my video, share my video for your friends and family members, and you can see then more videos. Then subscribe and press the bell icon. And so viewers, take care, bye bye, see you soon.